everybody, Officer Woods here, back for another video, and today we're going to be starting a tutorial series. I'm not going to drone on about it for too long, but in today's episode we're going to be learning and implementing into our game how to have multiple directories. This is very useful. This means you can play GTA 5 online with all your friends, and then you can come and switch over to LSPDFR, and then you won't get any trouble with Rockstar or anything like that. It's really good. And also your GTA 5 online folder, that directory will suffice as a backup for your game, so if anything goes wrong, you've always got that here. As you see here in my common folder, Grand Theft Auto 5 is completely clean. To have multiple directories, you do simply just need to copy and paste the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder into your Steam Apps common. This does take about 15 minutes, so I'll meet you back when it's just about done. Okay everybody, it is about done, about 5 seconds off. It did take about 15-20 minutes, I would say, depending on how fast your disk is and stuff on that. Getting the last stuff in, 50 megabytes, and there we go. We have a full copy of GTA 5. So it is the exact same as this one, except this one is going to be our clean version, and this one is going to be our modded version. So we're going to rename this to modded, and put a dash in the middle there. Okay, so if we need to switch back, if we need to go and play our modded, we can't just go in here and launch it like that. It won't work because Steam is looking for this directory here. So if we do want to play our LSPDFR version, we will rename this from Grand Theft Auto V to Grand Theft Auto V clean or unmodded, whatever you want to put, just to distinguish it. And if you rename your modded version just to GTA 5 and launch GTA 5 like that, then it will launch your modded version. So this is just a simple way of getting multiple directories. Also now your clean version is a good backup. But yeah, this is the end of episode 1. Please tell me what you thought of it. There'll be lots of more tutorials coming soon. So thanks for watching.